So, you want to fire your boss in 2020 and you just don't know how to do it. You really want to fire your boss right now, but you may be scared and you might have signed up to a program and you might have gotten scammed. Well, I've got some information to tell you today, so you definitely want to pay attention to this message. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to my channel today. Welcome to the video today. Right below this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day for you, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. You know what time it is. It's that time. How to fire your boss in 2020 because you're ready to do it right now. When I first got online, that was the first thing I wanted to do. The first thing, when I signed up on the program, I was thinking, how soon can I fire my boss? And I looked on the internet to be able to solve that problem because my thinking, I saw all these videos on YouTube thinking if I sign up in this program and this program, you know what, that could get me closer to firing my boss, right? So when I signed up the program, here's a more important thing that I did not know. It was my mindset. So if you want to fire your boss, you need to work on yourself today. You need to get the mindset. You need to get the proper books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Compound Effect, listen to The Secret. Earl Nightingale on the internet. There's so many positive, good books out there to help you go ahead and do that. So first, I had to transform my mind to even get to that point of firing a boss. But I made the mistake. Of signing up on the programs and not following what the program told me to do. So it was my mindset. It's also the fact of my everyday activity in those programs. I was not doing that. So I know you clicked on this video and you want to learn how to fire your boss. Well, I do have a program to help you do that, but I'm going to be honest with you. You need to follow the steps. Right below this video, we'll teach you and show you how as soon as possible you can get results online and you'll be on your way to fire your boss. But results are not typical, but if you do the work in the program, you can do it. So click on that link below. This video right now is my #1 recommendation on making money online and making things happen for yourself. But let me go ahead and tell you one more thing. When you sign up for a program, it's your mindset, your everyday activity, and the number 3, you can't quit. You cannot quit because remember, the goal is to fire your boss in 2020, right? And so I understand you signing up, you may not be seeing any traction, you may need a mentor and a coach. We also offer that in this program as well. You can get a mentor and a coach because we have an unbelievable community. I'm here doing this video for you because I want you to fire your boss in 2020. Definitely, right? It's possible, definitely. I know you're thinking like, oh man, I don't know if it's really possible, but it is possible, but you gotta make that decision. Quit clicking on videos and not doing anything about it. Click on that link below to go ahead and get started for you to learn and discover how you can really do it, right? Because we embarking in 2020, firing your boss is like one of the hottest topics out there in 2020. Why? Because people are tired of their 9-to-5 job or their 9-to-9 job. Because trust me, you do want to go ahead and achieve that as well. Because one more thing I'm going to tell you. One more thing. It's like work on your mindset. 2, you definitely want to do the everyday activity. That's 2. 1 is mindset. 2, everyday activities. And 3, you definitely want to go ahead and not quit. You definitely do not want to quit and continue following the programs and definitely give some confidence in yourself. So click on the link below to discover how you can fire your boss in 2020. I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I definitely want you to click on that link below for you get started, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a good day.